Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable preload pages for faster browsing and searching on Google Chrome browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable preload pages, open your Google Chrome browser and click on three dot icon on upper right corner and click on settings, click on performance, scroll down, you will find the last option speed, preload pages. When on Chrome, preload pages which makes browsing and searching faster. Now click here to enable it. Now again scroll down. You will find here two options. One extended preloading and another one is standard preloading. In extended preloading, more pages are preloaded. Pages may be preloaded through Google servers when requested by other sites. And standard preloaded, some of the pages you visit are preloaded. I am recommending you to select extended preloading. So it is more faster than standard preloading. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.